This owner became convinced his cat had accidentally swallowed a cicada while taking a nap. Then, suddenly, he heard a loud buzzing sound. He knocked the cicada down with his slipper, but the buzzing still wouldn't stop. That's when he realized the sound was coming from his cat's belly. He was sure the cat had actually eaten the cicada, so he immediately called the vet. The vet explained that it sometimes happens, but he still tried to get the cat to spit it back out. When nothing worked, he gave the cat plenty of treats, and even 2 full bowls of food, hoping the cicada would eventually come out. But then he heard the same buzzing again. This time, he discovered the cicada hiding underneath the cat's bed. The clever cat had simply fooled its owner into giving away a bunch of free treats. If this story made you laugh, don't forget to like it.